Hi everyone! This video is for the ladies who are looking for a place to buy cute intimates for themselves or their girlfriends for that special occasion. Whether it be for Valentine's Day, a bachelorette party, honeymoon present, or just a fun gift for a particular night with your man, www.hollywoodlifestyleslingerie.com is a perfect place to get a variety of different designs that cater to any event. All sizes are available, and the customer service and shipping are fast and easy to deal with. This online store not only provides affordable lingerie, but other items as well, such as dresses, clubwear, hosiery, and accessories. So for myself, I actually got this cute pair of the EM floral print lace cami with bottoms in the lingerie section. I've never seen this style before, and I picked it because I could also wear these bottoms under regular clothes. I'm always looking to get things that I could use for more than one purpose. Not only does this store give you lots of choices like bras, teddies, sleepwear, and more, there's also a pretty awesome blog called livelovesexy.com, where you can get fun ideas and articles about female empowerment. I enjoy reading articles that show how women of different body types, races, and hairstyles can flaunt intimate pieces while feeling confident and sexy. Every woman has the power to seduce, if they wanted to, and these pieces help with doing just that. Again, be sure to check out HollywoodLifestylesLingerie.com to see what you might like. Thanks for watching.